Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have experienced before. Imagine this. You've been working on a project for hours, and suddenly your computer shuts down unexpectedly. You panic as you realize you forgot to save your progress. Yes, the infamous problem we're talking about today is the nightmare of losing unsaved work. It can happen to the best of us, but don't worry, we've got a solution for you. Now, let's talk about the solution to this heart-stopping problem. The best way to safeguard your work against unexpected shutdowns or crashes is to enable the auto-save feature in your applications. By setting up auto-save, your work will be automatically saved at regular intervals, giving you peace of mind and ensuring that your progress is never lost. Make it a habit to activate this feature in all your favorite programs, and you'll never have to worry about losing your work again. Problem solved. In addition to enabling auto-save, another important part of the solution is to use cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox. By saving your work in the cloud, you create an additional layer of backup protection. Cloud storage automatically saves your files as you work on them, and you can easily access them from any device. This way, even if your computer crashes, your files will be safely stored in the cloud. With auto-save and cloud storage working together, you'll never have to fear losing your progress again. Isn't technology amazing? In summary, the key to overcoming the nightmare of losing unsaved work is to enable auto-save in your applications and utilize cloud storage services for extra backup. By following these simple steps, you can work with peace of mind knowing that your hard work is always protected. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite tech mishap story.